Lemon water is a healthy, natural, and effective way to help you lose weight. You can lose up to 1.5 kilograms in just 3 days using this technique. So here's how you do it. Lemon water. What exactly is it? To make your lemon water, simply take 2 fresh lemons, cut them into slices, and squeeze them into a glass of fresh water. Use a wooden spoon to crush the lemons to release their juices. Mix together well and put in the fridge to cool. After about an hour, it's ready to go. Take your lemon water each morning before you eat breakfast, and to save time, make it the night before and leave it in the fridge overnight. If you want to maximize its benefits, have a glass of lemon water before each meal throughout the day. How does it work? Lemon water is a refreshing and healthy drink which can help you lose weight. But how exactly does it work? Lemon water helps to suppress your appetite so you won't be tempted to snack or overeat. Lemons contain a type of fiber called pectin. This can help you reduce your cravings for food. Lemon water is a tasty and refreshing alternative to other higher-calorie drinks. By switching lemon water for those high-calorie soft drinks, you can reduce your intake of sugar while still enjoying a delicious drink. Lemon water helps with your digestion. The natural acidity in lemons can help your body digest its food better, meaning that you get more nutrients from your food, and as a result, you won't feel so hungry after meals. Lemon water helps to boost your body's natural rate of metabolism, which in turn will help you to burn more fat. A healthy metabolism will also help you keep off weight that you have already lost. Other benefits of lemon water. Lemon water helps to detox your body in a natural and safe way. Lemon water lowers the acidity of your body, which helps you to boost your immune system. A glass of lemon water provides you with a good supplemental dose of vitamin C, which is great for fighting off colds and flus. It's a tasty alternative to other high-calorie drinks. Lemon water will help to keep you well hydrated, which is good for your skin. So start today and begin your journey to rapid weight loss and improved overall health. Lemon water is a fantastic way to maintain your weight loss over time, so stick with it and enjoy the results. And if you're seriously looking for a fast and natural weight loss solution, then I recommend you to click the link in the description, HealthFitnessPlanet.com/weightloss. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.